Is it too late for adults or teenagers to start learning the piano? Recently, I received a question from a teenager who planning to start her piano lesson with me. She now 17 years old and she asked, "Teacher, am I too old to start piano lesson?" Then I say, "Let me teach you a song. If you're able to play the song after 10 minutes, then it is not too late to start piano lesson." You guys want to know what song it is? Stay till the end to find out what song it is, and I will give you the free tutorials too. Since she was in my class, I assumed that she has the interest in learning piano. That's why she came here to try out the piano lesson. She only feared it was too late for her to learn piano, given that she was no longer a child. In general, it's never too late for anyone to learn piano, but this doesn't mean there won't be any challenges along the way. So we discuss about what we want to achieve from learning piano, how frequently she can commit to practicing the piano, and her schedule. The difference between young kids and a young adult learner is that children don't have enough experience and knowledge to be aware of what the future will bring them, but adults usually know what they would like and what they want. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I would say if you are willing to step out of your comfort zone, you are already one big step closer to succeed. Now, you must be curious what you learned in the class. Let me show you. So the first thing you need to know is a hand position. So that's the two black keys, and the right hand 3 black keys here. Put your right hand 1, the thumb is actually the 1 here. Yeah, on the 3 black key first note, 1, 2, 3, and the 5 finger on the next 2 black key first note. The left hand, the 2 finger and 3 finger put on the 2 black key, and 2 here and 3 over here. Now you look at the score here. So the first one, they start from the left hand 3, then you play the left hand 3. The right hand 1, and then 3, 1, 3, and 2, 1. The left hand come in, 2, 3, 2, 3. And the left hand again, 3, and then right hand 1, and then 3, 1, 3, and 2, 5. And then now the right hand 3 and a 5, 5, 3, 1, and left hand come in 3, 2. And the right hand 1, 2, 3. And left hand again for 3, and the right hand 1, and then 3, 1, 3, and 2, 1. Okay, great. Now we try it without saying the number. So, ready? Thanks for watching. Comment down below on topic you are interested in, and I will record a video like this to discuss with you. I'm Mr. Mo. See you in the next video. Bye bye.